about to shoot Daddy. Yeah. In surprise. We're saying we're gonna fight each other, me and Ethan, but we're really gonna shoot Dad.
You gonna light him up?
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna shoot Mommy in the head, so let's do it.
Uh-oh.
You didn't get it?
Ethan, you better look out. Mommy's gonna return fire.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Take cover.